Work, work, Workaholism. Most workers spend 8 or 9 hours on the job. They work because it's unavoidable. They need to make enough money for necessities, food, rent, clothing, transportation, tuition, and so on. They spend about one third of their life at work, but they had it. They complain and count the minutes until quitting time each day or the days until their next vacation. By contrast, there are some people who actually enjoy work. In fact, they love to work. They spend many extra hours on the job each week and even take work home with them. These workaholism are as addicted to their jobs as other people are to drugs or alcohol. In certain urban centers, workaholism is so common that people do not consider it unusual. They accept the lifestyle as normal government worker in Washington. For example, frequently work 6 to 7 hours a week. They don't do this because they have to. They do it because they want to hundred of workaholism in New York City. Try to go to work even in the famous back out of 10977. There was no electricity, no air conditioning, elevator or light, but many people went to their office. Anyway, they sat impotently on the step outside their office building and did paperwork or had business meeting. Workaholism can be a serious problem because through workaholism work rather work than do anything else. They probably don't know how to relax. That is, they might not enjoy movies, sport, or other type of entertainment most of all. They had to sit and do nothing. This inability to rest may cause healthy problems, such as heart attack, in addition to typical workaholism. Don't pay much attention to their families. They spend little time with their children, and their marriage may end in divorce. Is workaholism always dangerous? Perhaps not. Some studies show that many in life their work is so pleasurable that they are actually very happy. For most workaholism, work and entertainment are the same thing. Their job provides them with a challenge. They keep them busy and creative. Others people retire from work at 8 not to quit. They are still enthusiastic about work and life in their 80s and 90s. Why do workaholism enjoy their job so much? There are several advantages to work. Of course, it provides people with paychecks, and this is important, but it offers more than financial security. It provides people with self-confidence. They have a feeling of satisfaction when they provide a challenging piece of work and are able to say, I made that. Psychologists claim that work gives people an identity through participation in work. They get a sense of self and individualism and addition. Most jobs provide people with a socially acceptable work too. Religious perspective, many religious teachings warn against balance in life, including hard, including in work. For example, Islam encourages hard work, but also emphasizes the importance of balancing work with worship and attention to family. In Christianity, the concept of the Sabbath reception, a day of rest to recover from work. Factual perspective. Research show that workaholism can lead to various health problems such as chronic stress, fatigue, heart disease, and sleep disorder. Social perspective in modern context, especially in major cities. Workaholism is often seen as normal or even a mark of success. Many people feel pressure to work productively. Religious perspective balance. Many religious traditions emphasize the importance of balancing work and rest. For example, in Christianity, the Sabbath is a day of rest, reflecting the importance of downtime in life. Similar, Similarly, in Islam, where work is considered a form of worship, there is a strong emphasis on taking time for worship and family. Factual even. Healthy data show that virtualism can lead to serious health issues such as chronic stress, hypertension, and heart disease. This is exacerbated by a lack of time for rest and relaxation. Social experiment. Social image in modern society, especially in major cities. Socialism is often seen as a sign of success and decision. It can provide individuals with a sense of identity and personal satisfaction as well as social recognition. Some religions see hard work as virtuous but excessive work that harm health and family life gains than the participle of balance and rest. Factual physiology, alcoholism is an addiction similar to substance abuse. While it can lead to success, it often causes physical and mental health issues as well as damage relationship. Social experiment in confrontive culture workaholism in, is normalized. However, experiments show that balancing work and personal time improve happiness and productivity. Religious perspective. Balance and moderation. Many religious traditions emphasize the importance of balance and moderation in all aspects of life, including works in urban setting where workaholism is common. Religious teaching often stress the need to balance work with personal and spiritual life. Fact, Factual event. Healthy effect research show that workaholism in urban environment is like to significant health issues such as chronic stress, cardiovascular problem, and mental health disorder. The intense work culture in cities like Washington and New York City contribute to these health risks. Social experiment. Culture norm in many major cities. Workaholism is normalized and even celebrated. It is often associated with success and dedication, leading individuals to work long hours and prioritize their jobs over personal life. This culture's norms create a competitive environment where excessive work is expected and valued. Islam's work and worksheet balance Islam stressed the importance of balancing work and worship. Quran Surat At-Taubah ayat 105. Excessive work that neglects spiritual need harms the soul. Sexual relatives, health issues, chronic stress, fatigue, and increased risk of disease. Family time, less time with family affecting relationship and life quality. Productively initially increased but long-term stress, reduced performance, personal experience, lack of balance, limited enjoyment and personal time. Relationship strain, harm to relationship with family and friends. Character change can make a friends more right and less empathic.